everyone, in today's video, let us know how to carry out a leak test, evacuate and charge gas in a refrigerator. Objectives: at the end of this video, you can be able to flare and make additional charging tube in the compressor. Braze compressor charging tube with flared copper tube. Connect the compressor charging tube with the gauge manifold and nitrogen cylinder. Charge dry nitrogen gas into the system. Test the leak with a soap solution. Braze the leak spots. Connect the system with the vacuum pump. Dehydrate the system. Evacuate the system on the both high and low sides. Gas charging into the system. Pinch the system. Let us collect the material and equipment required to do this practical. Number 1. Combination plier, 1 number. Number 2. Cylinder key, 1 number. Number 3. Digital thermometer, 1 number. Number 4. Gauge manifold with LP or HP gauges, 1 set. Double-ended spanner, 1 set. Adjustable spanner, 10 inches, 25 cm, 1 number. Flaring block with yoke, 1 set. Conventional refrigerator, 1 number. Frost refrigerator, 1 number. Vacuum pump, 2-stage, 1 number. Refrigerant gas cylinder, 1 number. Nitrogen cylinder with 2-stage regulator, 1 number. Soap solution as required. Procedure: Task 1. Flare and make additional charging tube in compressor conventional refrigerator. Step 1. Make sure that there is no gas in the system. Through the charging tube of compressor, it should be open. Step 2. Take the copper tube 6 mm soft 1/4 OD. Flare one end with flaring block and yoke. Step 3. Insert the flare nut 6 mm through the copper tube 6 mm at non-flared end. Step 4. Insert 15 mm the non-flared end of copper tube 6 mm into the compressor process tube. Note: this practical exercise to be done after leak testing of the unit or appliance. Ensure that the unit or appliance is already leak tested. Step 5. Fix the angle valve inlet port to the compressor process additional tube flare nut. Step 6. Tighten the joint angle valve flare nut by using a suitable double-ended spanner and adjustable spanner. Step 7. Make sure that the angle valve is closed. Procedure: Task 2. Braze compressor charging tube with additional flared copper tube. Step 1. Take the gas welding brazing set. Step 2. Open the valve of the oxygen cylinder and regulate pressure. Step 3. Open the valve of LPG cylinder and regulate pressure. Step 4. Light up the brazing torch and set the flame neutral type. Step 5. Take the flame to the point of the compressor charging tube with an additional copper tube 6 mm. Step 6. Braze the point with a brazing rod, copper. Step 7. Allow the point to cool down. Task 3. Connect compressor charging tube with gauge manifold and dry nitrogen gas cylinder. Step 1. Connect flare nut of additional charging tube with flare union 6 mm. Step 2. Connect the other end of flare union with charging hose. Step 3. Connect the other end of charging hose with HP high pressure port of gauge manifold. Step 4. Connect the intermediate port of gauge manifold with another charging hose. Step 5. Connect the other end of charging hose with outlet part of nitrogen cylinder. Task 4. Charge dry nitrogen gas into the system. Step 1. Make sure that all thread or screw points are in tight fit position. Step 2. If not, make the joints tighten by using cutting plier to tighten charging hose, double-ended spanner and adjustable spanner to tighten flare nuts, flare unions. Step 3. Open the nitrogen cylinder valve using valve key. Step 4. Regulate the pressure to 50 psi in the pressure regulator. Step 5. Open the knob of high pressure port of gauge manifold by turning the knob gently in anti-clockwise direction. Step 6. Observe the nitrogen gas flowing into the system through notice the reading in HP gauge of manifold. Step 7. Allow the nitrogen flow for 15 to 20 seconds. Step 8. Close the knob of gauge manifold by turning it gently clockwise direction. Step 9. Observe the reading in the pressure gauge HP manifold. Step 10. If the pressure not reached 150 psig, again allow nitrogen flow into the system through reopening the knob of manifold. Step 11. When the pressure reaches 150 psi, close the valve of nitrogen cylinder. Close the regulator knob. Step 12. Close the knob of gauge manifold. Step 13. Take the dry bulk thermometer and find the temperature of ambient air. Step 14. Note down the time. Step 15. Tabulate the readings in the tabular column which is given at the end of this exercise. Step 16. Remove the charging hose. Second, which interconnects gauge manifold and nitrogen cylinder. Step 17. Close the intermediate port of manifold by dummy nut brass 6 mm. Task 5. Test leak with soap solution. Step 1. Take a plastic or metal mug filled with pure water 500 mm. Step 2. Add 25 ml of soap solution concentrate into the water. Step 3. Still mix well and make lather by a paintbrush. Step 4. If the lather is not sufficient, add some more soap solution into the mixture. Step 5. Soak the sponge into the soap solution mixture. Step 6. Take few quantity of soap solution mixture by the brush and apply the solution on the points. Swaged joints, charging hose adapters, flare nuts, etc. Braced joints, placed where copper tubes are joined together. Step 7. Take the sponge with solution and lather. Place it under the joints. Step 8. Carefully watch any nitrogen bubbles are coming from the system through the soap solution mixture. Step 9. If no bubbles present, it indicates there is no leak. Step 10. If any bubbles present in the joint, add more soap solution on the joint and find where it is coming from exactly. Step 11. If the leak at screwed or threaded joints, flare nuts, charging hose adapters, make it tight fit and arrest the leak by using double-ended spanner or adjustable spanner or cutting plier. Step 12. If the leak at braced joints, copper tube, confirm the leak and note down the carry-out repairs. Step 13. If there is no leak in screwed or braced joints, leave the system as it is to hold the pressure for next 24 hours. Step 14. After 24 hours, note down the reading, pressure, ambient temperature and time. Step 15. Compare the reading of pressure with previous day's reading. Step 16. If there is no difference between the two readings or there is 5 to 10 psi difference between two readings, the system has no leak. Task 6. Brace the leak spots. Step 1. Leaks if any in braced joints, mark the spots. Step 2. Let out nitrogen pressure from the system. Step 3. Clean the leak spots with emery papers. Step 4. Light the brazing torch, use goggles. Step 5. Heat top and bottom joints of leakage pipes. When it get red hot, apply flux and apply copper rod. Step 6. Stop the welding torch. Let the brazing joint cool. Step 7. Pressurize the system with dry nitrogen. Step 8. Check leak with soap water on all braced joints. Step 9. If there is no leak, vent the nitrogen pressure. Task 7. Connect the system with vacuum pump. Step 1. Connect one end of charging hose 1 to the outlet of angle valve. Tighten the joint with a cutting plier. Step 2. Connect the other end of charging hose to LP low pressure port of gauge manifold. Step 3. Connect one end of charging hose 2 to the intermediate port of gauge manifold. Step 4. Connect the other end of charging hose 2 to the inlet port of the vacuum pump. Step 5. Close the HP high pressure port of gauge manifold with a brass flare dummy nut 6 mm. Step 6. Tighten the screwed or threaded joints by using cutting plier for charging hoses, suitable double-ended spanners for flare nuts, dummy nuts, etc. Step 7. Make sure that the HP or LP knobs of cage manifold are closed.
Recap. In this video, so far we have discussed how to number 1. Flare and make additional charging tubes in the compressor. Number 2. Braze compressor charging tubes. Number 3. Connect the compressor charging tube with the gauge manifold and nitrogen cylinder. Number 4. Charge nitrogen gas into the system. Number 5. Test the leak with a soap solution. Number 6. Braze the leak spots. Number 7. Connect the system with a vacuum pump. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.